in this section, we are going to discuss about port scanning. So port scanning, we normally do it with Nmap 10.0.2.6. If you just do it like this, it will just scan top 1000 ports and list them what are the ports that are open. Here, after scanning top 1000 ports, it shows 977 are closed, which means 23 ports are open. So this is where you can identify. And if you want to do a specific port scan, then use a flag called -p followed by the port number, let's say 21 and 22, then 80. It will do the scan for that. Then it shows for 21, 22, 80 are open. Let's do something that is not open. Port number 9, it is closed. So that is why it is important. And if you want to do full port scanning, this takes some time, but it generates a lot of traffic. It does. Since we are running on road, it will do the stealth scanning, and full port scan is represented by -p. Once entered, I'll clear the packets. You can see two-way handshake happens with all 6535 ports that are present onto the target. You see a lot of things are being generated. See, 92% of the, it has taken about 16 seconds to do this. It has shown all ports. Before it has shown only 22 ports, right? Now 35 means now 30 ports are open, right? Now here it is showing 6505 are closed. That means total ports are 6535. Suppose it will be 30 ports open when you subtract it and do the calculation. So that is full port scan. And if you want to do specific, also do this. If you want to know if AP is open or closed, then it will give the name like that. Then it will check the default port. It is open. Then it will give the result whatever. It is closed. Then it will show it is closed. Then we have specific port scan. We have also port scan you can do upon ranges. This is 1-200 ports that are there present in the target. Then we also have operating system. So remember, I have exited as root user. From the root user, I want to do on the target, I want to do operating system detection. So what of operating system it is using, I want to know. So I'll just, you see, this can requires root privileges. It is very important. You may find this in exams such as CEH or ISC2. If you have heard of them, what we need to do, we have to run them on root privileges and then do the scan. So it is also doing the port scan. If you see the OS details, it says Linux 2.69. If you see the operating system details for the target, this target, then it could be in this range. It's not exactly giving what it is giving the range of the exact version. So what is the distance? There is one router in between this attacker machine and the victim machine. So that is about operating system. Again, I have said this before. In 10.0.2.6, I want to send 4 packets and see if you time to live packet, time to live is set to 64. That means it's a Linux machine. If it is 128, it's a Windows machine. So with that also you can try. Then the last one, what we have is aggressive scan, which takes a lot of resources in here because it also does service version detection. Forgot about that. Nmap service version for the top 1000 ports that it's. So you will, in the result, you will be getting what are the ports that are open, and see the ports that are open, port number, what is the state, if it is open or closed. Then we have the service that is running on the respective port and its version. This FTP is running VSFTPD 2.3.4. So that you need to understand what is the version. Understanding this version will help you find the vulnerabilities that are there on the respective version. If it is an outdated version, then you can easily search in Google and then get the exploits or payloads and exploit with advanced tools like Metasploitable 2, etc. So that is where it is service version detection is important. So when you do aggressive scan, what it does is it will do the service version detection. So it does service version, it does operating system, and it runs some default scripts that are present. Then it will also do the trace routing. Then yeah, these all things will be done. We'll see the result once it is executed. So you see in the Wireshark, there is a lot of traffic that is generated. See, when you are especially running this aggressive scans, this may take a lot of time if you are in a network, and if you try to do aggressive scans on the network which is having proper defenses, you will get detected by them. So see here we have information related to the ports that are open or closed. I'm sorry, that is the other scan. Here is aggressive scan result. So for each scan, it will have some default scripts. If you see here for port number 21 FTP, it gives a version which is service version. Then after running the default script, it shows the FTP anonymous login is allowed, and it is doing scanning on port 22. Then it has run and gave the SSH hotkey, the values of RSA and DSA. Then like that we have it for some other ports as well. Then in the end, it will also do operating system identification. Then it will also do the trace route that happens by default with this aggressive scan. So that's all about this Nmap tutorial that we have. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And also if you want me to do any tutorial like this, any feedback for this tutorial is also welcome. If you want me to do any tutorial on other tools, or if anything is missing specifically, or if you didn't understand anything, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to do the video on that and clarify your doubts as well. And all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you have learned something, and I appreciate your time and efforts that you have taken to watch this video.